Hey, hello everyone. So I am going to solve a LeetCode problem. The problem number is 1122 relative sort array. So first let's go through the description. Given two arrays, array 1 and array 2, the element of array 2 are distinct. Means whatever element are present in array 2, the all element are unique. Means not the repeated element are in array 2, and all elements in array 2 are also in array 1. Means array 2 is the sub part of array 1. Means whatever elements are present in array 2, the all element must be present in array 1. uh, might be in array 1 or more element as compared to array 2. This is the case are present, but till now question are telling us whatever elements are present in array 2 must present in array 1. I hope clear till now. So let's go for the second part. Sort the elements of array 1 such that the relative ordering of items in array 1 are the same as in array 2. Means we have to sort the array in relative ordering. Means whatever order of elements are present in array 2, we have to keep uh, uh, that order same order in array 1. Means we have to sort based on array 2. Elements that do not appear in array 2 must be placed at the end of array 1 in ascending order. Means we have to sort the remaining part. So I hope you guys understand. Okay, let me try to explain bit clear. Means we have to sort array 1. First, we need to keep array 2 uh, first, means at the first position with the relative ordering of array 2. Means see here we have an example. Let's go through the example. It will be better for the understanding. See, here are 2, 3, 1 in array 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 2, 19. See, here are lots of number are repeated, but in array 2, see, here are the all elements are unique. 2, 1, 4, 3, 9, 6. All elements are unique. And see, in output, we need the same order of array 2. See, here 2, first we keep all 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, double 3, because in array 2 we have 2, 3, 2, 3, 9, then 6, 9, 6, and uh, here these all elements are present in array 2, but the here repeated elements, because in array 2 there are repeated elements of array 2, so we keep that also here in output, but here two elements are not present in array 2, so we keep those element in last after the sorting of array 2, and we mm, we sort based on ascending order. I hope till here you guys are understand the problem. What question try to say us. So let's try to solve this. First, we need to count the element uh, appear how here first we need to count the repeated element in array 1. means here how many times of 2, how many times of 3, how many times of 1, and other element are present in array 1. So I'm going to do this with the help of dictionary. So first let's create a empty dictionary, count empty dictionary. And so now I'm going to run a loop in array 1 if I in count, then count I count I plus 1. Let me explain first. Let's finish this statement. Else count I equal to 1. See what I wrote. If I in count means if the element of, suppose that first let's go through the example. If I means 2, see here is the 2. If 2 is already present in the dictionary, then just we increase the value of, means just we count how many times. Once the 2 is not first, let's traverse through this example. First, what we have 2 means in starting 2 is not present in the dictionary. Then uh, the 2 will go as a key, and 1 is the value of that key. Okay, then second elements is no, 3. uh, 3 is also not present, so if it's a statement will not work, then automatically comes in the else. So second key is in our dictionary is 3 and the value is 1, and the third element is 1, same like previous. Key is 1 and value is 1, and the C fourth element we have 3. uh, 3 already in present in the dictionary, so if is statement will work, and uh, uh, the value of 3 now became 2, means earlier we have 1, now we are I'm going to plus 1, so it becomes 2. uh, Same. So after this loop, we have a key value pair. Key is the element of array 1 and value is the repeated, means how many the repetition means how many times a element repeated in array 1. Okay, so now going to create a result array. Now I'm going to traverse in array 2 for I in array 2 if I in count, means whatever element comes from array 2, if that elements present in count, then result dot, here I am going to use extend. Extend is a function, uh, uh, is something similar like append, but in append we can append a value in the array, but in extend we can append a series of number in the array. Also you guys can google it or go through the documentation or whatever. So result dot extend, oh sorry, extend array of element 1 into count of I. Okay, so till now what I did, let's delete this element after that. Delete count I. See here what I did, let me try to explain in details. If I in count means if whatever element comes from array 2, if that element already present in our dictionary, then we just uh, going to append that element uh, with the multiples of the count. Means whatever, means see here we have two many times, uh, here 2 or 3 times. First element of array 2 is 2, 2 into how many times we have to, uh, uh, 3 times. This is once we wrote uh, dictionary with the element, then that comes the value, that brings the value. So how many times we have value of 2 in dictionary is 3. So uh, this loop will append 2 3 times. After that, uh, I'm going to delete that elements from count, means from dictionary, so that avoid the repetition in next step. Once we deleted, after appended, going to delete that element from dictionary. So now I'm going to uh, perform for the remaining elements. Remaining remaining elements created a empty array, for I in array 1 if I in count. See, now going to traverse from area in array 1. If see the study, if I in count means whatever element present in array 2 we appended in result, and after appendation we deleted that from dictionary. So uh, the remaining, now in count only we have the remaining element, means whatever elements are not present in array 2, only that element present in this dictionary. After completion of this, after execution of this line of code. Now remaining elements, sorry, remaining elements dot append I. Here I'm going to append directly because we don't worry about the repetition. Whatever elements comes from array 1, if that element is not present in our dictionary, we can directly append that element in our this remaining element array. Now result till now I hope you guys are clear. So now let's append no means extend the result array with the remaining elements. Till now, in result array, we already appended all elements whatever present in array 2 with the repetition, means how many times that element repeated in array 1. Okay, extend extend. Now we have to sort the remaining elements array. Sorted remaining elements. I think everything is good, clear. Now just we need to return result. Yeah, all the test cases is passed. Just need to submit. Yeah, it's accepted. The time is 48 milliseconds. It's fine because here I use 3 times loop. So that, yeah. If you guys have any doubts, or if you guys want to give me any suggestion, because this is my third video on my YouTube channel, uh, if anything, you guys can comment directly, or I will provide my uh, Twitter link, also Insta link in the channel description. You guys can reach out to me. Yeah, thank you. I hope you like.